41 years of excellence, of emotions, of performance. Created by His Majesty the late King Hassan II in 1971 on the occasion of the opening of the legendary Royal Dar es Salaam Golf Course in Rabat, the Hassan II Golf Trophy kept improving and growing with three main ideas: the passion of golf, the excellence of the organization, and the international influence of Morocco. In 2009, the Hassan II Golf Trophy allows Morocco to become one of the few non-European steps in one of the most prestigious sport tours in the world, the European Tour. A couple of years later, the tournament moved to Agadir, allowing the players to discover an incredible place, the Agadir Royal Palace Golf Course. A turning point that has been run with confidence by the tournament teams, thanks to an organization with a high quality level, proving to the world the ability of Morocco to host and organize major events with a worldwide extent. The key values of the tournament remain the same: brotherhood, friendliness, and hospitality. That is why the Friendship Cup and the Hassan II Golf Trophy Pro-Am take place every year. And this year, the Pro-Am lived a very special moment. The participation of His Royal Highness the Prince Moulay Rashid, President of the Hassan II Golf Trophy Association, whose passion for golf is equaled only by his commitment. The trophy is committed for the promotion of golf in Morocco and of its facilities around the world to serve the national tourism strategic interests. But all this comes from a single thing: the passion for golf. Now, you know the reason why the greatest golf players in the world played the trophy. In 1993, His Majesty the late King Hassan II, as a true visionary, creates the Leila Meriem Golf Cup, the female equivalent of the trophy that becomes the only golf event in the world in which men and women competitions are played at the same time in the same place.
C'est la première fois au monde que le circuit masculin et le circuit féminin se jouent dans la même ville, dans la même semaine.
A real innovation for national and international sport, promoting diversity, openness and tolerance.
Là, il devient un tournoi officiel, on joue en même temps que les garçons, donc c'est le seul tournoi de l'année où on joue avec les garçons, donc c'est super sympa de les voir, passer un petit peu de temps avec eux, aller les voir jouer.
Like the Hassan II Golf Trophy, the Leila Meriem Cup, thanks to its unique game formula and the quality of its organization, attracted the greatest players of women's golf and also the champions of the future. And there is no doubt that the Leila Meriem Cup leaves lasting memories.
One of the memories I have is just getting to know my caddy. My local caddy was Mustafa at the golf course, and I was learning the language, and he was telling me about his village and living in Agadir and Marrakesh, and so it's just been great to get to know the culture. And Morocco is so different from the United States, so to be able to go there and travel and get to see the culture, I love it.
Leila Meriem Cup can claim to be the springboard for international talents such as Arita Jutanagarn, the young 18 years old Thai player, winner in 2013 in Agadir, who reached the head of the latest European Tour Order of Merit thanks to her victory. also can make real national champions emerge.
La Coupe Lalla Merriam pour moi c'est un aboutissement. En tant qu'amateur, c'était un rêve de la jouer. Donc c'est quelque chose de formidable de pouvoir jouer la Coupe Lalla Merriam en début d'année, premier tournoi de l'année. Et c'est aussi un tournoi formidable. Donc ça représente énormément de choses.
In 2010, Lalla Merriam Cup enters into the international golf, becoming a step in the prestigious Ladies European Tour.
The Lalla Merriam Cup is a very special event for us. It's an event which is fantastically organized. It's a big spectacle, but at the other side, it still feels like coming back home. It's done with a lot of love. Our players hugely enjoy it, and we are very happy every year to come back.
Lalla Merriam Cup, it's also friendliness and sharing that everybody can feel when seeing mixed teams of the Lalla Merriam Cup Pro-Am, where non-professional players, men and women, play together. Prize money has increased, making of the Lalla Merriam Cup one of the top 5 events in the Ladies European Tour. Years of passion in the wake of an exceptional trophy.
Longue vie à la Coupe Lalla Merriam.
Joyeux anniversaire!
Happy birthday, Lalla Merriam Cup.
Bon anniversaire à la Coupe Lalla Merriam.
Happy birthday, Lalla Merriam Cup. I can't wait to get there next year.